Hi guys, so how you all doing? Today I want to show us how to use 5,000 naira to cook healthy meal, and this meal is going to feed a family of 5 with just 5,000 naira. Let's go. Rice on the Rika. Granite oil 500 naira. Seasoning 100 naira. Salt 100 naira. So Maggi ko, ṣé Maggi wà? Maggi èló ni Maggi? Rárá, Maggi ló wà bí 100 naira. Ní ata kékeré, just to you understand. So kò gbọ́dọ̀ wà outside 5,000 naira. Náà kọ́ ìgbàlè. Èmi láìkí náà ń tèmi o. Náà kí ni tí wọ́n yà rẹ̀ àlùbọ́sà? Ṣé 100 naira lélẹ̀ bá? Okay, ó yá. So we have 3,400 left after buying rice, seasoning, granite oil. Let's go to another place. Take 1,000. How much per one? 1,000 naira. 1,000. So we need onion. Tomato and you go 1,000. No tomato. Tomato at Tirogo. 1,000.
Then buy it.
How much is Tirogo? This is 1,000. Wow. How much is this one?
I just want to have fun.
Thank you.
Correct. And the best thing to me, no, there go go 5 to mala. This key. Okay, I don't care. Only tomato na in the only 1,000. All of our programs in no market. So what's only
You have onion?
Yes.
100. Okay, granite oil 500. Àsìkò ṣé ní ẹ ló máa dé ẹ ní wọ́n ni mo jẹ ẹ ti jẹ́ kó kún ẹ ṣe. So we've been able to buy everything, but we have 200 naira change left, and I'm still thinking, what can I buy with 200? Should I buy panla fish? Should I buy panla abi? Do we still have panla 200 naira in Nigeria? I'm not sure. So let's check. Let's check around. Maybe we have panla 200 naira. Is this way? Panla. So there's no pala 200 naira. We'll just go home. Guys, I'm back from the market, and like I said, we want to spend just 5,000 naira to feed a family of 5. And with my 5,000 naira, I was able to get rice, I was able to get 5 eggs, I was able to get pepper, rodo, bawa, and tomatoes, and even onion. And could you believe that inside my 5,000 naira, I still have 200 naira change? So that means with 5,000 naira, you can actually feed, eat well, eat healthy, and you are happy. So many other food you can cook with 5,000 naira. Spaghetti, you can cook with 5,000 naira. But I chose to cook rice and stew, maybe because that's one of my favorite food anyways. That's why I'm cooking white rice with sauce and egg. Full chicken. That's what we are eating this morning. So guys, let's go. Let's start cooking. So now we want to fry our atadidi, and first you go with your groundnut oil. Some people don't like using plenty groundnut oil, but for white rice, I feel it's necessary. It's necessary. I'm going in with my pepper first, pepper mix actually. After which, I'm going with my onion, and my reason for going with the pepper first is because the oil is so hot and I want the pepper to fry well. So it absorbs the water first. Okay, so then I poke my eggs with fork so that pepper can enter it. You understand that buka egg kind of, right? So that's just it about the pepper sauce or atadidi or whatever name you want to call it. So our atadidi is ready now. You can see it's so yummy. Come to the studio with us and have some taste. Do you know that with this 5,000 naira, we're able to serve 5 plates, and we still have enough rice left? Well, it all depends on how the family consume or how they eat. It depends on the quantity each person can eat at a time. But in this our own family here, we don't eat much, so it goes round and we still have enough rice left. Thank you for watching. Like, share our video, and subscribe to Dr. Shina Aladejubelo TV on Facebook, TikTok, and even on YouTube and Instagram. See ya next time.